As you've been impacted by the recent keypad meter issue, you should have received communications from us at Electric Ireland containing 2 keypad reset codes to help reset your meter. To reset your meter, please follow these instructions very carefully. Please go to your MAIN Keypad meter, as it will not work on the handheld Freedom unit. Firstly, press the star button on your keypad meter, followed by the first 20-digit keypad reset code that we sent you. Once complete, press # to confirm. Wait for confirmation that the code has been accepted. Your keypad display screen will read "Accepted" when complete. Press star again, and enter the second 20-digit keypad reset code that we sent you. Press # to confirm, and wait for confirmation that the code has been accepted when the display screen reads "Accepted." Your keypad meter should now be reset and you can top up as normal. You are no longer limited to £5 top-ups. For all other keypad meter queries, please visit our website for our latest FAQs at electricireland.com. If you would like to speak to someone, please call our free phone service on 0800 313 4926. We thank you again for your patience.